Hello there. In this lesson, we'll introduce the Anaconda Assistant. This online tool integrates generative artificial intelligence into your Python work. It suits practitioners at all levels and is a great learning assistant, especially for novice and intermediate users. It can boost your productivity and save you considerable time typically spent handling errors, searching for the correct references in the documentation, determining which Python tool to apply in a particular case, performing data cleaning, and more. To respond to your requests, Anaconda uses the language models that OpenAI uses to create ChatGPT. In contrast to ChatGPT, the Anaconda Assistant has specialized in Python code creation, explanation, and debugging. But it doesn't provide as much general knowledge and text solutions as ChatGPT. To use Anaconda Assistant, register using anaconda.cloud. Please remember that this assistant is part of the Anaconda distribution, so its interface and functionality are similar to Jupyter's. In addition to the classic notebook document located in the center of the screen, there's a file manager on the left and an Anaconda tool panel on the right. You can show or hide these panels by clicking the small icons in the top right corner of the screen and at the middle of the top bar. To communicate with the assistant, use the field at the bottom of the right panel. You can type in plain English or many other languages. To guarantee consistent assistance across its various tools, the latest version of Anaconda allows you to access the same assistant from your Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. To do that, press the relevant icon in the code cell where you need help, or click the Jupyter Lab icon to use the same AI tool in a different interface. Overall, the interface and functionalities are quite intuitive, so you can quickly master them by practicing. If you're interested in trying out this assistant in any of the two options, in the cloud or locally, you can register on Anaconda Cloud and follow the Anaconda AI lessons we've provided throughout the course. Good luck!